welcome to KK's Art Studio. And today I'm with Emmy Girl, and we're gonna draw a dinosaur.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah, so am I. Let's get started. Come join us. All right, so let's get started, guys, with the little dinosaur.
Yeah.
I'm excited. So the first step is we're gonna draw the dinosaur's head.
The dinosaur?
So we're gonna draw a nice big circle on the paper, okay?
Okay.
So let's draw a nice big circle.
Great.
Got it? Nice, good job.
Yay.
And then we're gonna draw the dinosaur's body. So we're gonna do it like the letter U again.
The U?
So we're gonna start from one side of the head and then go to the other. So I'll show you real quick. And then you can copy me.
So cute. Yay. You like my U?
I do. Good job.
Mine's gonna be a baby.
Okay, it's a baby dinosaur.
Mm-hmm.
Love it.
That's why I did a baby U.
Yep. Now we're gonna draw the tail of the dinosaur. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make from the bottom of the body, we're gonna come out like a line and then make a loop.
Wow.
Now we have to draw his feet so he can walk around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do two other U's. So look, we're gonna do a U like this. Good job. And then we'll do one right next to it on the other side.
Great.
Then we're gonna draw the little toes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a loop like this. One, then one that's taller, and then one that's smaller again. Nice, and then just do it to the other foot too. Yeah, we have his feet.
Baby feet.
Baby feet. Now we could do his little arms. So it's gonna be a little swoop. So we're gonna
Yours is the mama.
Mine is the mama. So we're gonna go like this. Two arms.
Yeah, 2 arms. Yay.
Good job. And now we're gonna draw all the spikes, all the little horns from the dinosaur. So we're gonna
do up here too?
Yeah, we're gonna do all around his head. So what we're gonna do is the first one we're gonna do on top, and we're gonna draw almost like a triangle.
That's nice.
That's one. And then we're just gonna go around the head and this side of the body, okay?
Okay. That's so cool.
And that's how the dinosaur is gonna look. Now we could just finish his face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw two big round eyes.
Whoa.
All right, and then we could draw the mouth. Do you wanna join me and draw the mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a nice little smiley face like this.
And then
A nice little loop.
And then a loop on the side, right?
Yeah, that's cute.
So it'll be like
I like that you're adding your own details.
love.
Yep, and then we're gonna draw like his cheeks are gonna be a little rosy. So right under his eyes, we're gonna draw an oval attached to the eye.
Like from right here?
From the bottom of the eye.
The bottom of? Like this?
Yep. Little rosy cheeks we're gonna draw for the dinosaur, and then we'll do it on the other side.
Oh, so cute. He's like full of love, right?
He is full of love. And now we could draw little details from the eyes, so we could just draw like a nice little loop at the top. Mine is gonna be looking to the top left.
Oopsie, I colored it in already.
It's okay. And there we have our dinosaur. Yay! Now we could color it in. We could use whatever colors we want. We could do whatever design we want because it's our dinosaur. So you guys could also pick whatever color you want, and let's get started. Alright guys, so there we have it. We have our cute little dinosaurs.
Yay!
Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found it easy. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.